Residents in the Indonesian capital Jakarta wade through floodwaters as heavy rains force over 6,000 people to evacuate and leave at least 2 people dead. Rain has been pounding the city since last week, with forecasters warning the weather could worsen over the next few days. Aerial footage from around the city shows rescues taking place as people are packed into boats to escape the rising floodwaters. Chronic flooding, mostly caused by clogged water ducts and poor drainage, hits Indonesia every year during the wet season, with Jakarta being particularly vulnerable as several rivers meet in the low-lying port city.